Have you ever had this problem before? Frozen shut. We're gonna show you how to prevent that. All right, so first things first, let's get this thing unfrozen. And the way you can do that is you wanna lower the freezing point of the ice that's in there. So take some isopropyl alcohol. We'll pour that into a bottle here. So we can spray it. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna spray this in the door jamb. And the isopropyl alcohol here will lower the freezing point of the ice that's in there. Spray it in there. Now, see, breaks the ice open. But to prevent that, the little pre-treat that you probably already have at home, we're gonna show you how to do that now. As you can see, the ice that's formed on the inside of this door here. So by spraying the isopropyl alcohol in here, lowered the freezing point of the ice in the majority of the surface area here, so it was able to open the door and break that freeze from there. So now to prevent that door from freezing in the future, or if it's before a snowstorm, grab yourself a can of Trim Shine, and you're just gonna go through and spray it on that rubber seal. You can spray it on like the painted door jamb area on both sides. And what that'll do is provide a barrier. That silicone that's in this will not freeze like water will. So it'll prevent a barrier from having this frozen surface, that frozen surface from sticking to each other. That quick, spray it on the door jamb. In this door, you don't have to worry about it freezing anymore on you. Thanks for joining us in this one. We'll see you in the next one.